nagda-diet ka, busy ka, like ako, I have a 5-year-old who's super malikot, and then I have my businesses, and I'm acting also, so palagi akong pagod. But what makes me happy, nakaka-happy throughout the day, is my Kirby coffee. And I have it so many times a day. As it's not even a joke, parang it's a meal replacement for me kasi nakakabusog siya, but it also helps boost the metabolism. And if you know me, you know I'm very into fitness and health. And so the fact that the neem leaf extract actually helps detoxify the body, helps de-bloat. It's all the things we need to help curb our appetite. And you know, no one is perfect, guys. Kailangan natin ng tulong, pampapayat, you know, even if you're already payat, kailangan mag-maintain. And another thing that I love about Miss Jazz Bonifacio is, I'm a girl's girl, and she's a girl's girl. She's a lady boss, badass CEO, and gusto niya makatulong sa mga kababaihan na gusto maging strong, confident, and their sexiest selves, diba? So can we give her a round of applause, please, everyone? Sa lahat ng gusto maging sexy with Kirby Coffee, yan, we're so happy to share this with you guys. Thank you.
Yes, and it seems.
Thank you so much. And it seems, Max, we have one question from the media. Albert Avilada from Chicanes. Yes. So Max, yes, we have one question from the media.
Hello po, good evening. Hey, mabuhay. Congratulations, Max. And Jazz, and of course, the husband. Okay. First question for you, Miss Jazz. With this big milestone, how do you exactly feel na nandito na tayo sa sitwasyon wherein we are launching these products? For sure, it took a while bago ito mangyari. And with a surprise that we're having these celebrities to para patunayan how effective these products are.
Hello po, good evening. Pinapaiyak niyo ako, Sarah. Hindi ko po inaakala na ganito kalaki yung event na pinag-prepare sa amin ng GMA. Sobrang naiyak ako kasi first time nag-event ng ganito ng SNJ Beauty. So, nakita ko po yung hard work ng mga team namin. Talaga. Na talagang nagkaka-result po yung ginagawa nila. At syempre, para patunayan din po sa lahat ng mga tao na effective po yung products namin. Kahit ako rin po, ginagamit ko rin po siya personally. Yun lang po. Thank you po. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat.
Congratulations, Miss Jazz. In fairness din naman talaga, bongga yung pagka-mount ng event. And to you, Max, ayan. Congratulations sa akin, dami mo namang endorsement. Super busy. Ayan. So, ikaw, dear, ano yung nasa checklist mo when it comes to accepting endorsements? Of course, maraming nag-o-offer, di ba? But you can only say yes to a few. Ano yung nasa checklist?
Something that aligns with my values, something that I can be proud of. Kasi nanay ako eh. So mahirap talaga mag-endorse ng product that I don't believe in or that goes against my values as a mom, as a strong, empowered woman. So I think what it is like, what I would like to say is that I look for brands that like to empower women. Because that's the most important thing for me. I think I've been through so much throughout my career, and I love working with strong women who are all about making us better versions of ourselves. That's really what I look for when it comes to accepting brands.
So, at last na lang. So, paano mo siya,
Knowing that considerations, paano mo yung verify with this brand Diba? Paano mo ni-research na alam mo mag-align kayo ng values as a woman?
Actually, before pa I met Miss Jazz, we talked about the backstory of the brand and what it was about and paano nagsimula. And I think you guys don't know how young she is. She is only 29 years old. That is wild. Kasi ako, I'm 33 now, okay guys. I'm a little older. And I started my first business in my 30s. But to be 29 and to actually believe in a product so much, in her products, so much that she really ran with it. And that's why umiiyak siya ngayon eh. Kasi she put her whole heart and soul into it. And I love meeting people that are so passionate because it's not about the money na eh. You know, parang you can see na mayaman na siya. Sorry guys. And I think that's what attracted me so much to her and SNJ Beauty was the fact na hindi niya kailangan, but she wants to help other women empower themselves and be the best versions of themselves.
Thank you.
Thank you. Incredibly well said. Thank you so much, Max and Miss Jess. Thank you so much for gracing us. Everyone, you
sa dagat, you know, like paganda-ganda lang sa dagat, gano'n. And then the boys were the ones na pagod kasi daming action scenes.
But ilang leading lady role mo na to if you remember?
Oh my goodness! Pang ilang leading? Maybe pang 4 or 5 or something like that. Pang 4. Matagal na yung mga iba. It was more like pang hapon when I was young.
Yeah, what's special about this role? Challenging, you know.
It's more like me though. It's another part of me. Kasi deep inside, I'm an island girl talaga. Like, I used to live in Boracay when I was younger. So parang nakakabalik ako sa roots ko. The feeling of the sand, the sea. I love being by the sea. I feel at home. So, ang saya. It's close to my heart.
Maxi, tama ba yung pagkaka-recall ko? Nakasin mo, di ba si Megan niya?
Yes, si Megan is
Yes, right?
Yes, Mom on her show.
Yes. Kasi di ba meron ngayong roles sa Miss Universe, even moms pwede na mag-join. Is that a possibility
Oh my goodness,
for
guys,
you?
wag ako. No more na. That ship has sailed. No, I like being an actress. I like being a mom and an entrepreneur. I think that's more of my landas as opposed to a beauty queen. Kasi I feel like kapag beauty queen ka, you have to give your 110% to that. And that's not my path.
Isa pa din sa mga path na parang napupunta kayo sa fashion scene. How was it? Kamusta ka doon?
Sa
Fashion
week.
Yeah.
Like sa fashion week. Well, because Chris Nick is a good friend of mine. Like, he's one of my best friends. So I walked for him. And that was so much fun. Like, kasi diba kakatapos na yung BS show. Like, so syempre lahat kami parang we're feeling it. And like, it's our time to pretend that we're BS models. Parang gano'n. So na-enjoy ko siya kasi I feel like when we're modeling, parang it's like playing lang, like visual art. It's more relaxing, and then acting naman is more like vulnerable, mas deep yung emotions, things like that. So it's nice to balance them. Parang I always try to remember na it's not the end of the world. You know that I'm so blessed to be alive and well.
At nabubuhay ka para sa anak mo.
Parang pinag-count ko na lang yung blessings ko. So yun yung nakakatulong sa akin. And number 1 is
Jessica. Okay, Max, kumusta ang puso?
Ako ay masaya. Yun lang.
Okay.
Non-showbiz.
Ayoko mag-comment.
Pero mas masaya ba yung parang, ikaw na yung parang more private yung relationship, kung meron man? Do you think?
Kung meron man, yes, I feel like it's better to, whatever's important to you, it's always good to protect. Halloween plans. Halloween, we're going to Dubai. Because my son wants to go to Dubai. He wants to see the camels in the desert. So we're going and to celebrate my mom's birthday also. So family. Mag-deserve ko naman kayo. Yes, kasi gusto niya maging penguin. So sabi ko, ako naman, what am I gonna be? And he said, Mommy Penguin. So dahil dyan, maging penguins kami.
Max, yung Master Cutter, di ba action drama to?
Yes, action.
Are we expecting you to do action? If ever may action, gaano kadaming etong yung drink milk ang ininom mo?
Oh my goodness, so far wala pa akong action scenes. Parang very damsel in distress weeks. eventually you'll see the stronger side of my character habang, you know, nag-unfold yung story. So yeah, I haven't been surprised with any action scenes yet. But, you know what? Baka mamaya magulat lang ako that dun din ako pupunta. So I don't know, I'm excited if that does happen. Kasi I do like some action. That's why sa kakakape ko, I have so much energy.
And definitely you love to portray empowered women.
Yes. Love to be a strong,
Max,
bad.
bakit Max? Ba't mas maganda ka ngayon kaysa nung nag-uumpisa ka?
Oh my goodness, I think sa dami kong pinagdaanan, sana naman gumanda ako, diba?
You are beautiful.
But it's not, it's not, it doesn't come easy and it's not like natural all the time kasi diba nagpa-lipo ako, then I like, you know, I have, like I work out so hard and then, and ano pa ba, parang nagkaanak na ako. I think that, sa dami na pinagdaanan ko, like, I figured out what works for me. Like, it took a long time.
Tingin mo ano yung pinakamahirap na pinagdaan mo sa showbiz career?
When I couldn't speak Tagalog. Kasi parang kung maging artista din, kaya mag-Tagalog. As in when I started, I couldn't read it, I couldn't understand it, and everyone told me like, huwag ka na mag-artista, it's not for you, just mag-model ka na lang, gano'n. But I'm still here!
Yeah, definitely.
I'm still here!
During that time ba parang feeling mo na bully ka kasi syempre ka marunong magtagalog?
Yeah, I was super bullied. Nung bata ko, I was like 14, gano'n, I was super bullied. Parang lagi ako pinag-usapan, and nagtawa-tawa sila, tapos parang kasi hindi ko sila naiintindihan, pero alam ko na ako yung pinag-usapan. But you know, where are they now? Char! Joke lang.
Max,
Paano mo na-survive yun?
Wala, umiyak lang ako. Iyak lang na iyak. And then sabi ko, umalis ako. There was a time I went to the States and then I said, no, I'm really a creative person. Like, I love showbiz here. I love being with the people on set. Parang, I'm not for the corporate world. So that's why I realized na ito talaga yung latas.
Max, you're a picture.
Galit ako, pero nakita ko lang yung ngiti niya. And then he'll say like, have a great day, mommy. Or he'll sleep next to me and kiss me, say, I love you, mommy. Ay, grabe, iba yung joy. Iba yung happiness. Parang makakalimutan mo lahat ng inis or like, you know, stuff like that. So I think yun talaga.
Papayagan mo siyang mag-showbiz?
Ayoko sana kasi I don't want him to go through what I went through. Ang hirap when you're starting out, diba? Tsaka ayoko maging stage mom. Baka mamaya hindi ako makakuha ng trabaho. Sabihin na, you know, I'm so strict of a mom. I don't want that.
Pero Max, ano kasi, syempre yung time na hindi ka marunong magtagalog, balikan lang natin.
Yes.
Nabully ka.
Oo, nabully ako. But wala pang social media noon. So
Oo. Pero ngayon kasi syempre uso na naman yung mga bullying sa social media.
Yeah.
Ano may papayo mo sa mga girls na nakaka-encounter ng bullying on social media?
You know, it's so funny. You like top of mind now. I saw Julia Fox said something online. She said, just don't care about other people. Like, don't care what other people think. Know yourself, and you know, if you know your truth and you